Hello friends! Is your engine misfiring, running rough, or hesitating when you press the accelerator? If your check engine light is showing code P0357, your car might be struggling due to an Ignition Coil G circuit malfunction. Ignoring this issue can lead to loss of power, poor fuel economy, and even long-term engine damage. In this video, we'll explain what P0357 means, symptoms, exact sensor location, and how to fix it. Let's get started. P0357 stands for Ignition Coil G, primary-secondary circuit malfunction. The ignition coil, it's pretty important. It plays a crucial role in generating the high-voltage spark needed for combustion. Your vehicle's Powertrain Control Module, or PCM for short, continuously keeps an eye on this system. And if it detects an issue in the Ignition Coil G circuit, well, it triggers code P0357. Now this issue, it's most common in V6, V8, and V10 engines that use individual ignition coils per cylinder. Alright, let's talk about the common symptoms of P0357. You might notice the check engine light or CEL coming on. There's also the chance of experiencing an engine misfire. You might experience a rough idle. You could feel a loss of acceleration and power. Sometimes, starting the engine becomes a bit of a hassle. It might even stall. Poor fuel economy is another sign. You might catch a whiff of some strange exhaust smells, thanks to unburned fuel. Ignoring this issue for too long can lead to some serious trouble with your catalytic converter. The Ignition Coil G is typically located on the cylinder head, above the spark plug for cylinder 7. For V6 engines, cylinder 7 may not exist, as they usually have only 6 ignition coils. Check your firing order. For V8 engines, cylinder 7 is often found on the passenger side, rear bank of the engine. If your car uses a coil pack instead of individual coils, it is typically mounted near the intake manifold or on the engine block. Always refer to your vehicle's service manual for the exact cylinder numbering and coil location. Faulty Ignition Coil G. The coil may be damaged, burned out, or have an internal short. Wiring or connector issues, corroded, loose, or broken wires in the ignition circuit. Bad spark plug or spark plug wires. A failing spark plug can put extra strain on the coil. Defective PCM or Powertrain Control Module. The PCM may not be sending proper signals. Finally, a blown fuse or faulty relay. A damaged fuse or relay can cut off power to the ignition coil. Step 1. Use an OBD2 scanner to confirm the code and check for related misfire codes. Step 2. Locate Ignition Coil G, which is cylinder 7, and inspect it for burn marks, cracks, or oil leaks. Step 3. Check the wiring harness and connectors for any signs of corrosion or loose pins. Step 4. Test the spark plug and ignition coil using a multimeter to measure resistance and voltage. Step 5. If the coil is faulty, replace it with a new one. Step 6. Inspect and replace any blown fuses or damaged relays. Step 7. Clear the code with an OBD2 scanner and test drive the car to ensure the problem is resolved. A failing Ignition Coil G can cause serious misfires, performance issues, and even long-term engine damage. Fixing P0357 early will ensure your engine runs smoothly and efficiently. Want to learn more about related issues? Watch these next videos. P0012, camshaft position timing over retarded, and P0013. Camshaft position actuator circuit malfunction. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.